third method is air layering. This is the best method for home gardeners. In air layering, a healthy branch is slightly cut. Use aloe vera gel or root hormone. Moist soil is wrapped around it. Roots grow on the branch. After roots appear, the branch is cut and planted. This method gives fruit much faster.